What's going on? YouTube, TikTok. It's your boy Boss Man. And basically what we have going on here, my hood latches done gone bad. So I got the kit, man. So you can see that one. You see how I look on the inside. Look down in there, see they broke all out of there. So what I'm gonna do, I already done pretty much pulled this loose, but I'm gonna show you how going back. They 12 millimeters, the nuts and bolts on the where the bolts on the bottom side. So basically, see, you can see the build up, so I already know where to place this back. But if it wasn't no build up there, I would have made a mark. That's where I know where to sit it at and center it. But you see, I'm sitting it right back in place, and I'm gonna start this bolt over here. But hold on, let me I gotta start it with my hand. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. But like I said, they 12 millimeter, and basically you want to sit it back. You know what I'm saying? Sit it back in line. You know what I'm saying? Back flush with how it was. So when I go to change that right there, I'm gonna put that, cause that gonna leave a mark too. I'm gonna line it back up. That's where it'll be centered. Y'all see I got that one started. I'm just gonna start all my bolts. Start them all. Alright, now as far as for this cable, you do not need no pliers or nothing like you don't need no pliers or nothing like that right there. What you gonna need, you just push this spring over, push it in some, slide the cable in between there, and it locks out like that. That's all to it. Now I might have to make an adjustment to that. I shouldn't have to, but I might. I don't know. I know once I, you know what I'm saying, close the hood down and try to pop it back. But shit, let me see. I might use this one. Take the top one off. Honestly, let's see. I don't know, bro, like that damn new tire smell got them damn ants going crazy with shit. Sugar ant. Huh. What the pump? That drop right down there. see it looks just like that right there. You know what I'm saying? All the old parts, they match up to the new one. Thank God for making me tall. Oh Lord, bro. Alright. Now what you gonna have to do though, you gotta tighten that nut down on top, because for some reason they came loose and I don't wanna have to take this back out, so you know what I'm saying, I'm just using a little adjustable wrench. Just tighten it down just a little bit. But tighten it down real good where it don't move. Alright, tighten it down already. It's a new part. You see how I left that old imprint. Just make sure you line it square on back up with that. And like I say, these on this end might not been bad, but hell, you gonna do one side, might well do the other, you know what I'm saying? And another thing too, you wanna put a little grease there, man. That way it don't be hard to doggone open, you know what I'm saying? Like just a little grease right around in there. You ain't gotta gunk it all out, go crazy with it, but yeah, just stay tuned. I'll show you the finished product. Alright, everything in check. Everything in check. So, like I say, man, I'm gonna go ahead and close this thing down and see what we got. Yes, sir. We in business. Cooking with grease. God damn it. We cooking with grease, y'all. See? She locked. There we go. That's what I do, man. This boy Ball, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and bang the roadside assistant LLC, man. Anybody need that help, man, reach out. I'm out. That's on game.